Hey man, you know where you watch.
Blessed everyone, Dancehall Skilla Day here again. Manners and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I'm going to present a video to you, and I want you to notice how I start off this video, because the video that I'm about to present to you really and truly I'm thinking. Alright, so in the video that I'm about to present to you, a person said some words that also includes mad, man, dash, way, and the word money. My people, more I look and listen to this video and tell me what I think about the video or what I can see in the video. Observe with my people.
Madman, that's where money has fallen, sir. Yeah, people have pick up money. See that the man there. That's where money them are done. Cash back to your party. People them are searching. Man get money there and an account. Madman. That's where money. $50, $20. $5,000. See me? $100. Be money. $50, yeah. Put $50, $100. You know? Yeah, man. Holy money in that shit, man.
My people, the video shows a person in some clothes when I look clean. You see me I say? I'm not able to confirm certain words that have been said in the video, viewing subscribers, to be accurate or so forth. You see me? Yeah, the video I've been posted on social media and it's been talked about on social media. But here's a question I'm going to ask you. Based on a situation like that, would you take up money? Yeah, based on a situation like that, would you take up money? That's the question I'm going to ask, you know? And I think that's one of the things about the whole video that's been talked about on social media, you know? You let me know what I think, my people. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, caught me off guard at one point. Isn't me? At one point, the video had me like, you see me, I said, but me I tell you, but people, more I take a look at the next video that I'm going to present to you and tell me if two persons we can see in the video dancing, if you think they are men or what. Leave your comment and let me know what you think. Alright? Comments as well too. Observe. Would you call that entertainment, my people? I mean, some people on social media would call it entertainment, you know? Yeah, the reason why the video catch me off guard is because I didn't expect that, my people. I'm telling the truth, I was not expecting that, but when it comes down to social media, I think it's wise to expect anything, because we are talking about social media. You see me, I say, yeah, but, that one fairy tale, I really and truly think, me I go take lightly though. Yeah, man, I go take a fairy tale like that lightly. I mean, my people, have you ever watched the Beauty and the Beast movie before? I even read a book about this whole thing known as Beauty and the Beast story and so forth. Yeah, man. Sometimes I watch all the movie and I read the book and I wonder who are the Beauty from what the Beast. And next topic, yeah, my people, let me know anything about that video that I just presented to you. Now here I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen during a situation when a person who I call a customer at the time confronted someone at a business place. Now, in the video, me hear when the word refund had been used. And once you hear that word, them people, I think you might have some form of understanding as to what the situation might be about. But anyways, when you look and listen to this video and tell me who you think might be in the right from who you think might be in the wrong when it comes on to this type of situation. Observe.
They might be here. They might be here within 40. No, but this bill saying something, you know. This bill saying something.
Sir,
You understand?
Listen to people. Look.
This will back up my phone out, man.
yeah, but
Because
the
that's
bill, right?
So, oh, you taking my thing of them?
I gave back your money.
You take you undergrad bill. You undergrad bill can mark up 14 days.
Done what?
You back my money now, let me go away.
Yeah.
And it's $48, brother. $48.
Okay.
All the black man to stink, boy.
Say what you want.
All to stink. Now I go more support the Indian.
God bless
You understand? Your bill, here, look the bill here, saying no refund within 14 days.
So
What you
look at
telling
the
me?
tier.
I can't get back my money.
Wait.
You understand? Look him.
Big man has one in here.
Look him. You want me? Well, slap out the phone out, man.
Big man.
Slap out the phone out,
I
man.
went that here.
Slap out the phone out, man. Well, slap out the phone. They call you unfair, boy. Mean thief nothing. I spend my money. Look my bill here. Look my bill here.
That's getting it back.
Look my bill here. Mean thief here. Mean come to rob here.
Yes.
You use those tests
I
for
miss
black
something
man.
like
You can see what you want about black man. You can see what you
You're
want
stupid black
Look your
people.
money. Look your money. Flame that now.
Look how feeling it. Look
Flame it down.
how Hey, don't touch my phone, man. You're stupid.
Look your money. Look your money. You're no
Stupid.
place. Probably go look on that.
Sit down here still. Well,
I can reach it to your stupid self. All too unfair, boy.
like certain things
Too unfair.
in our class.
I nobody won't come here.
In our way.
The daughter say, look at him. Look at him. Look at this here.
People, something about the video. Me check something. So, what I know, people, because we don't know how what happened. Alright, but people, so me really and truly have to try and get an understanding. Because I know, say, when the first part of the video, the piece of paper there never look the way I see it look at a certain point in the video. So, I look at the video and I realize I'm hear a ripping sound. You see me? Yeah, so something happened. You see, it's that way. So, but my people, in a situation like that now, see, who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong when it comes down to that type of situation. You can hear certain words that have been said in the video as well. Not at all. You see, customer care service can be difficult to some customers, and at the same time, it vice versa. So, you know, really and truly want to say, Ray and go like say it one sided. You know, it's a two-sided thing. But that situation there, let me know you think. You know, who you think might be right from who you think might be wrong. Alright, my people, so I got information about an incident that happened in Jamaica, viewing subscribers. And you know, the information when we get me really and truly I wonder certain things because me hear about a certain amount of motor vehicle accidents that happened in St. Ann, Jamaica. Now, I got information that two motor vehicles collided at a location in St. Ann, Jamaica, viewing subscribers. Yeah, I got information that two motor vehicles collided along the Runaway Bay main road in St. Ann, Jamaica. Based on information that I got, it is said that 3 persons have been injured when it comes on to the two vehicle collision that happened in St. Ann, Jamaica. I also got the understanding that allegations had been made as to how the incident might have happened, viewers and subscribers.
That means you know go so and the bus are gonna see. I saw you report
Yeah, and the bus are
Yeah.
Then we come.
I also saw pieces of videos that shows some things that happened at the scene of the incident. Yeah, I saw one video that shows a motor vehicle that really damaging my point of view. However, I got the understanding that the incident is really bad, my people. So I must talk about it. I tell you, I don't know what's going on, but motorists, please take your time drive on the road, alright? Yes, so I left it. Big up and respect each and every one. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.